Thank you for tuning in, guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your window master switch from your Camry. So first thing you want to do is pretty much open up your door, come here to the driver's side of your door, and you will want to pop up the back of this. The front of it will not pop up. You can break this, so don't try to pop at. Take you something, get underneath of it, just like so. But you pop it up, get your hands, and move it forward. They are a tab, pretty much, that you can break if you ain't careful. Then you will want to unplug this. There's a button you mash on that plug in. Don't know if you guys can see it or not. It took me 2 hands, so I had to set the camera down, but that's how you remove your master switch from the driver's side of your Camry. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, drop a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.